So this is the first time we sell now technology. Till today
We can't
it was
hear.
faster.
This is not translated now. You need to speak from the microphone.
The mic- Sorry guys. I like it to do more show than it is possible. This is the first time we are doing now technology. What means now technology? Till today it was easier to go into a store and buy something because you get it faster. It was impossible to get it now by a delivery service. This is the first time we are faster with the delivery than going myself to a store. Where I learned that from? This is a hardwired thing everybody has inside ourselves. So we accepted till today that we wait if we order something for a day or for 2 weeks. But it's inside us. If we can have it now, we want to have it now. It's a fact. We are facing the now or never generation. Our children learn that. And so what we need to give them all, this is a worldwide fact, give it now. If there is a technology which can do that, you are the winner. Okay. To have something now, it's not something that happens today. It needed a long time to develop that. A long time ago, you needed to have a PO box or a box where, if you are not at home, someone could deliver your letter or your packages. Today, we are talking about drones, how we can deliver things very fast with technologies and drones. It is nice, but imagine in a city small as Zurich, we have 3,500 cars, full loaded with packages. Imagine how many drones we need in Zurich, the sky would be dark. So, so this is not discriminating, that I only show girls, it could be also a man, so to understand. It is not only in Europe where we like to shop. And this is the increasing of e-commerce and shopping, it is a fact too. In Europe, in Germany, we are growing by 10% e-commerce. And we are reaching critical masses in the e-commerce. What means a critical mass, reaching critical mass, means it goes even faster in the future. So this is also in the Asian part, and in Africa it is the same. And it's the same also in Arab countries. The fact in Arabic countries is we are growing by 40% in the e-commerce. This is the land of the shopping malls. But the e-commerce is growing by 40%. Imagine that. How much more it needs to be delivered. So we need to take off the cars and we need to solve a lot of delivery power with technology to have it faster. So this is the growth. We are talking about trillions. So this is not a small market anymore. And if you see the growth, this is worldwide growth, we are growing by trillions. We are not growing by millions or billions. This is a very nice thing. So it's a big business. So but what Annanow is doing in all that thing. So we are localized. We won around the 5,000 stores like IKEA, MediaMarkt and all of them. We localize products so that we can move it on the shortest way. Today we are delivering out of potato acres. So why we are doing that? We deliver out of potato acres into the city. We need a lot of cars, but the most of the products are around you, where you are living, where are your offices. Around you are stores, they have the same products than in the potato acres. So we don't need to drive from the potato acres into the city if the product is already in the city. So we need only to localize it. So this is something we are doing. And the dramatic growth of the deliveries in a smart city is a problem. Because every day we have collapse of transportation and deliveries. Too many cars are on the street. So if we can remove cars from the street, we are very happy. So we need to work on the workload. For that we need technology. We are providing that. And out of this, if you see the nature of a delivery, you need to do the delivery, you need to solve the insurance of the product, and we are the first time before a customer is buying the product, we are solving the insurance. This is a very important thing. Normally, as an insurance, you're going after a week later or so on, and you ask for a household insurance or whatever insurance. If the guy starts to buy a sofa or something, probably he is moving. But this is the first time we do it in a sales process, and that's a nice thing. So we sell more insurances than we do deliveries, to understand. And this generates a lot of smart data. And to close the deal, in the nature, it's the delivery, insurance, and the payment we need to solve, and that's what we do today. This is a disrupting thing. It's a no-asset company. What means a no-asset company is really the next thing. Normally today, you buy a lot of cars, you do storages, you have a lot of products, you have stores, and so on and so forth. We don't have it. We only connect it, and we organize it by the nearest place. So we believe we can disrupt, as all the other you see on that sheet disrupted some markets and economics. What we are doing fab shops for everyone. We are working with the crowd because the traditional delivery companies, they cannot go on with the masses of deliveries they need to solve in the near futures. So the crowd is needed to solve that. We use AI to an existing infrastructure to become smarter. What is very important, if we don't do that locally, the local phase will disappear and will solve by a lot of big delivery companies. Means like Amazon, they really focus on delivery, and it will destroy the whole phase regionally. So this should be a sustainable investment, and if you start not now, then when you like to start? This is my question. Thank you very much.